Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How To Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this Xiaomi 2i360 security camera, that how we can reset this camera if it's not working properly, it's not recording on your SD card, or it's not connecting with your mobile phone, or you are not able to use talkback feature, and any kind of a problem is over there. Then how you can reset? First of all, if you want to do it via your mobile app, then you have to just go to the mobile app, Xiaomi Home or Mi Home, and after that you have to click on that camera option, and after that go to settings option, and from there you will find an option that is called delete device, and click on that. After that you can easily reconnect it, or you can use this device. But if you want to reset this device from this camera, then how we can do? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe this channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do and what the process, as you can check out, when we move this camera upside like this, we will find an option over here. That one is SD card, and another one is a little hole is over there. We need a needle like this, and we have to insert and push this button for a few seconds. Okay, press this for a few seconds, and after that it will restart your device, and your indicator will get off, and after that it will start again. That's process to reset. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe.